factor 3 of 440. So 440, it can be written as 2 times 220. 2 times 220 mean 440. 220, it can be written as 2 times 110. 2 times 110 mean 220. 110, it can be written as 2 times 55. 2 times 55 mean 110. Now 55, it can be written as 5 times 11. 5 times 11 mean 55. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 2, these 2, 5 and 11. So we can write 440 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times these 2 times these 2 times 5 times this 11. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.